What's up guys, Reboot here. In this video I'll be showing you how to download reels, photos, or videos from Instagram. Alright, so first head on over to Safari and then type in routinehub.co, or if you're watching this video on your phone, tap on the link I left in the comments. Once you're here, scroll down to where it says browse by category, then tap on the photo and video option. From here, you're going to want to download the very first one that says Yas download. So once you tap on that, you'll have the option here that says get shortcut. So go ahead and select get shortcut. Then you will be taken to the shortcuts app. From here, just go ahead and set up the shortcut, tap on next, then tap on next again, then go ahead and add the shortcut. Now what I like to do is rename the shortcut. So to do this, tap on the shortcuts tab, then you should see the shortcut here at the top. Then go ahead and tap on the three dots, then tap on the little arrow and hit rename. I just like to rename this to download, but you can rename it to whatever you want. So once you're done with that, we can now head over to Instagram. Look for the reel, photo, or video that you want to download, and once you find it, tap on share, then tap on share to, and you will see the option to download. So hit download. Since this is most likely the first time you're doing this, you will get 3 pop-ups asking if you want to allow this action. So if you don't want this popping up every time, choose always allow, and the last one should say if you want to allow download to save a Instagram item to your photo album. So tap on always allow, and then you'll get the little check mark. Now we can head over to our photos album, and as you guys can see, we have the video that we downloaded from Instagram. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below, and don't forget to leave a like if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Peace.